Okay, Caesar, let's see what the Ecovacs Deebot T50 Max Pro Omni can do for us. Let's start with something easy like dusting your carpet. Can it get all your hair off the ground? What about human hair? Ow! And now for the real test. Annoying styrofoam from unboxing videos. That was really impressive. I honestly thought that styrofoam was really gonna trip up the Deebot. But you know what? We're getting ahead of ourselves, so why don't we back it up and start from the beginning. With 2 kids, a dog, and all kinds of tech products constantly coming in and out of our house, vacuuming and mopping styrofoam, dog hair, and dirt is a constant necessity around our home. But we all have such busy schedules that no one wants to work cleaning the floors into their daily routine. And that's why we're super excited to finally have a product that can do it all automatically from our sponsor, Ecovacs. With their new Ecovacs Deebot T50 Max Pro Omni, we finally have a perfect RoboVac that can vacuum and mop the floors with the push of a button or even just our voice. And while our previous RoboVac left us wanting more, this new T50 with Ecovacs Blast technology increases cleaning effectiveness by 93% using a super powerful 100-watt motor for a 2 times stronger suction and 2 times better airflow versus standard RoboVacs. That means you're getting power that can keep up with a stick vacuum in this awesome compact package. Plus, with this EV grade 6400 milliamp hour battery, you're getting high power suction while also getting 2.4 times longer life cycle, ensuring whole home cleaning for years. I swear, the T50 Max Pro Omni cleans so well you wouldn't even know it was a robot. But before we dive deep into how this thing performs, I want to go over what you get in the box. First, you'll find the instruction manual, followed by the base piece and the power cord, as well as the side brush attachment for getting to those corners and against the edges of the wall. Underneath that, you have the robot itself, which is packaged nicely and looks awesome. You can see the vacuum roller and the mopping pads on the bottom here, along with some nice grippy looking wheels that look like they'll handle any terrain. Lastly, in the box, you've got the Omni Station. At the top of the Omni Station, you've got 2 containers, one for the clean water and one for the dirty water, which is super handy. And at the bottom, there's an automatic mop cleaner to ensure they'll always stay clean and dry. So all you need to do is attach the base piece to the station and you're ready to go. And I gotta say, this thing looks super sleek. Ecovacs did a great job designing something that doesn't look like an eyesore in your home. And at the same time, it provides so much in terms of convenience by automating charging, mop cleaning, auto dust removal, and water refills. I've never really seen anything like this before, and I'm already impressed. But in order to really get this thing going, we need to set up the Omni Station so that we can map out the rooms and see how this thing cleans. The app makes it super simple to start mapping. Just ensure the robot is attached to the charger and hit start. The robot will then make its way through your house while live updating the map along the way to show its progress. I've never had a robot vacuum that could do this before, so I was really impressed by how well the T50 mapped out our home. It even automatically recognized where the rooms split, which I didn't think it could do, but that's awesome. The app also allows you to drag furniture onto the map for a more accurate representation of the space, so we added the dining table, couch, and entertainment center to the layout. Once the rooms have been mapped out, the only thing left to do was name each of them in the app, and the T50 was ready to vacuum for the first time. And interestingly, when you start the first vacuum, the app shows a live update of the robot's position and automatically locates carpeted areas and marks them on the map. It'll automatically detect and record the position and shape of carpets, even those with irregular shapes. It can also identify fringed edges and avoid riding over them, cleaning around them with precision. It's so cool to watch it automatically recognize the space using Ecovacs AI-VI 3.0 obstacle avoidance technology, which uses a deep vision AI camera and True Edge 3D sensor to get down to 1mm precision around obstacles and objects on the floor. The Deebot T50 is also equipped with cutting-edge sensors, including fully embedded DTOF LiDAR, 3D structured light, and an AI camera, all designed to provide exceptional navigation, even in low light or dark environments. The DTOF LiDAR boasts a 190-degree field of view, scanning surroundings with precision to ensure accurate mapping and obstacle avoidance, delivering a smooth cleaning experience. And with their True Edge 2.0 dynamic dual-edge cleaning technology, it also adjusts itself accordingly to ensure that no corner is left behind. Plus, you get the added bonus of that side brush, which extends up to 15mm to really get into the gaps and remove up to 98% of the debris from as small as a 5mm gap. The T50 Max Pro Omni also has a new Zero Tangle 2.0 anti-tangle cyclonic comb, so we don't have to worry about shorter pet hair or even longer human hair tangling up the brush. The comb also helps reduce brush maintenance by 80% compared to normal robot vacuums. The bristles are are angled toward the center of the main brush, reducing resistance and creating a centripetal force as the brush rotates. This helps gather hair toward the middle, preventing it from getting stuck in the bristles. And when this thing gets to the carpeted areas, it continues to shine with Ecovacs' new Blast technology. Blast is designed to maximize airflow in order to deliver superior cleaning performance with improved efficiency. With its 100-watt high-performance motor, you get 71% increased torque for stronger overall suction power. And unlike traditional suction systems that focus only on vacuum power, Blast enhances the overall airflow to generate stronger suction for deep cleaning, especially on carpets, without compromising on particle pickup. In addition, cleaning effectiveness on carpets is increased by 78% while maintaining a 100% pickup rate for large particles, ensuring a deeper and more thorough cleaning. And even with all that suction power, its advanced noise control ensures a quieter operation, allowing you to enjoy maximum airflow and suction without the disturbance of loud noise. Plus, a 6400 milliamp hour Super Boost battery delivers 50% higher discharge current with a 2.5x longer lifespan that'll ensure extended runtime and durability while also providing sustained cleaning power with 50% less heat generation. And all those sensors that I mentioned earlier work hand in hand with the Blast technology to maximize the effectiveness of the T50 Max Pro Omni, combining the TrueEdge 3D edge detection sensors, sonic sensors, and comprehensive carpet features in the app. The robot reliably detects carpet edges, and what's really cool is when a carpet is recognized, the robot automatically prioritizes cleaning that area, whether the carpet's first mode is enabled or not. And when the carpet deep cleaning function is enabled, the robot will clean all the carpets twice in a comprehensive pattern, improving the removal of deep-seated dust and ensuring a thorough cleaning of even the most stubborn dirt. But you can't always customize the cleaning strategies for each carpet type in your home, ensuring optimal results for you. And another cool feature to start vacuuming is as easy as just saying the words using their new Eco GPT for next-level AI interaction. You can simply speak to the robot by saying, "Okay, Eco.
I'm here.
Mop the kitchen."
Okay, the area will be mopped now.
And the natural language processor will take it from there with a 95% command accuracy, making cleaning in your home easier than ever. Their new conversational interface offers seamless communication with your robot, similar to the real-time chatting experience you would have with ChatGPT. You can send a text or voice messages directly to Eco, whether it's for cleaning commands or to clarify unclear functions. Simply state the desired effect, and Eco will provide detailed guidance in a natural, easy-to-understand format. But the vacuuming of this T50 is just one part of this awesome product. The other show-stopping feature is the mopping pads that automatically lower and raise themselves up to 18 millimeters to ensure your carpets and rugs stay clean and dry. The TrueEdge 2.0 system ensures superior edge cleaning with its continuously variable mopping pads that adjust between fully extended and fully retracted positions to optimize edge cleaning while avoiding collisions. During the edge cleaning operation, the mopping pads remain fully extended, but as the robot approaches obstacles or turns, the sensors determine the best timing and position for retraction, ensuring the mops avoid collisions while staying as close to the edges as possible. This adaptive design allows the robot to clean every edge and corner, ensuring complete coverage without missing a spot. You can really see those sensors in action once the robot gets to the section of a carpet, as the mop heads will rise up into the body of the robot, leaving plenty of room and keeping them from touching the ground as it goes. This is such a handy feature to make sure that carpets and rugs stay looking great, and you can even use the app to tell the robot to vacuum first and then mop afterwards if you want a little extra peace of mind. For me, that's going to have to be the way because I love this living room rug and I don't want it wet, and that's easy to guarantee. But the mopping feature works great. It refills itself in the Omni station before it starts and even returns to the station periodically to clean the mop heads and refill the water. It's so cool to watch it do all of this automatically without any intervention needed from us. And the Omni station has a built-in container for cleaning solutions, so you can have it automatically add some to the water as it refills the robot for an even more effective clean when mopping. The station automatically mixes the cleaning solution with the water at an optimal 200-to-1 ratio in the pipeline, injecting it directly into the robot's water tank for efficient mop cleaning and active water cleaning. A single refill of the solution lasts approximately 90 days, offering long-lasting convenience. The Omni station also uses a 145-degree Fahrenheit hot air drying system to ensure the mopping pads are thoroughly dried using high-temperature hot air. This process not only dries dries the mop quickly, but also disinfects it, preventing growth of bacteria and eliminating odors, even after extended storage, so the mop remains hygienic and fresh, ready for its next use. So I've got to say that I'm thoroughly impressed by all of what the Ecovacs Deebot T50 Max Pro Omni can do. With features like the seamless app integration, detailed 3D mapping, all the sensors, awesome automated vacuum and mopping features, voice control, and the Omni station that keeps everything charged and ready to go, this really is everything that we've been looking for and more from a robot vacuum. It expertly glides through our house, ensuring everything stays clean and makes our lives so much easier at the same time. And if you're looking for something even more compact that can easily clean under low furniture like cribs and couches that bulkier robots miss, then Ecovacs also has another model called the T50 Pro. With its ultra-thin design coming in at only 81 millimeters, it's great for getting to those tight places. With an MSRP of under $800, it comes in at a great price for all it can do. But let me know in the comments below if you're in the market for an awesome whole home automated cleaning solution like this T50 Max Pro Omni, or something more compact like the T50 Pro. And be sure to check out the links in the description below to get one for yourself. Make sure to like and subscribe if you haven't already done so, and I'll see you guys in the next video.